Have you ever tried to contact Vivid Money and felt like you were navigating a labyrinth of support options? It can be frustrating, right? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to cut through the clutter and show you exactly how to email Vivid Money effectively. Imagine you're stuck in a virtual queue, waiting for hours just to get a response. Sounds terrible, doesn't it? But with the right approach, you can bypass the queues and get your issue resolved quickly. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why emailing Vivid Money might be necessary. Sometimes, live chat or phone support just doesn't cut it. Maybe you need to attach important documents, or perhaps your issue is complex and requires a detailed explanation. Whatever the reason, knowing how to email them effectively can save you a lot of time and frustration. Step-by-step guide. 1. Find the right email address. The first step is to locate the correct email address for your query. While Vivid Money might have multiple email addresses for different departments, you can usually find the general support email address on their website or in their app. 2. Craft a clear and concise subject line. Your subject line is the first thing the support team will see. Make it as clear and concise as possible. For example, if you're having trouble with a transaction, you could use issue with transaction ID, transaction ID. 3. Write a detailed and informative email body. When writing the email body, provide as much detail as possible. This includes your Vivid Money account details, your account number or username. A clear description of the problem, explain what happened and what you expected to happen. Any relevant screenshots or documents, attach any supporting evidence that can help the support team understand your issue. 4. Be patient and polite. Remember, the support team is also human. Be patient and polite in your email, even if you're frustrated. A friendly tone can go a long way in getting a positive response. Additional tips. Check Vivid Money's FAQ. Before emailing, take a look at Vivid Money's FAQ section. You might find the answer to your question there. Use a professional email address. If possible, use a professional email address when contacting Vivid Money. This can help you be taken more seriously. Follow up if necessary. If you don't receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with a polite reminder. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively email Vivid Money and get your issue resolved. Remember, clear communication and patience are key. With a little effort, you can navigate the support process with ease. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking.